Invoice is visible in front of you. I will show you this invoice by inverting it in live SAP. So first of all, the T code we will use is MIGO. This is a material purchase bill we are going to invert into the SAP. In SAP, purchase bill is processed in two ways. First, material purchase bill, and second, labor charges bill or service charges bill. Both are processed in different ways. First of all, we select goods received, purchase order and type here the purchase order number, and after typing the purchase order number, press enter button. You can see the material appears in front of you. Type the document date, type the posting date. Document date is the date of invoice and posting date is the date of inward. Select the option print. If you don't select the print option, you can't print the GRN copy. And then write the invoice number written on your invoice. After that, type the e-way bill number if available. If not available, type the invoice number here. If e-way bill is available, type the e-way bill number. If not available, type the invoice number. And then type the inward number. Now type the vehicle number. Vehicle number is written on your invoice. If vehicle number is not available, type the LR number, docket number or courier reference number here. After that, you can type any other reference number here if available. If not available, skip this option. After that, select option set automatically. Replace this option do not set. If you select the option set automatically, if there are any mistake in GRN, you cannot change or correction after posting the invoice. So that do not set option select. Here type the text. The text you type here will appear while you are printing the GRN copy. This helps account department for booking of the bill. Type the recipient name, who will receive the material, and now this is okay. Check this entry by clicking on check. You can see everything is okay. Now you can post this document number. You can get a document reference number. Write this document reference number on your invoice and take a print of GRN copy by using T code MB90 and select WE01. Output type WE01 is a type of document printing GRN. Sort order is 01 and processing mode is 01. Now here type the MIGO number and execute here. And now once again execute. Printing dialog box will be appear. Click on OK. Your GRN will be print, and take a print of this GRN. You can see the GRN has been printed. Now this printed GRN attach with invoice and submit to the account department for further process from account department and payment process. Thank you for watching the video.